Let me know if they're too big or small.
What we need you to do is stand up nice tall on your feet, waving both hands just like this until you see us coming out. This is known as a universal distress symbol. You sit there and wave with one hand, we're going to assume you're having a good time, just wave right on back. And as you notice, you're going to encounter other marks, stay out of the way anyhow. Now, any questions on all of that so far?
So you're saying don't go past that rock?
Yep.
And don't go on this side. So you're saying don't go further. Okay, you're saying.
Yeah, I feel like you all out there you can play.
So just like this way, you know? Okay.
Yeah, you can ride out that way a good distance just as long as you can keep this boat in sight.
Okay. Cool. Yeah. Sounds good.
Covered everything I was going to recap, so I'll go ahead and send you over here to Wade, and he's going to go over those operations with you. All right, go ahead, hold that red button down. All right, down.
Woo! Yeah!
All right, go ahead, hold that red button down. All right,
Sit.
go ahead, tap yes. All right, nice lunch, you're out in the open, have some fun.
It's so sick! Oh, let's fucking hit this wave. Woo! Let's turn. Let's ride these waves right here. Let's get the seagull. All right, ready guys? Full throttle. Oh my gosh, that is so scary. Ready? Full throttle, full throttle. 17 miles per hour, 28, 36. 41! Oh! Oh shit, guys. Wait, to the rock? Alright. Alright, let me know. 3, 2, go, go! Oh shoot! Hold on, I got it. Coming back. Hold on, I gotta get. Alright, hold on one sec. Stay there. I don't know how much time do we have, but it doesn't look like we had much time, so let's have some fun. There's fish, guys, there's fish. There's fish. There's fish. 3, 2, 1, let's go. We did it! We did it! Alright, let me know if you want.
Alright, just go ahead. take a seat and hold on right here, nice and tight. Right in the
Okay.
middle, both hands.
Okay, both hands.
You can grip over a little bit. There you go. All right, here we go.
Wow.
All right, go ahead, drop that key back in the glove box for me real quick, please.
Okay.
Just watch your step as you get off. Stay on the grade, get really slippery otherwise.
Alright.
You can go ahead and hang your life jacket on that blue ski there, and then there's pins in there on the counter if you want to go ahead and sign them off.
Alright. Alright, perfect. Woo-hoo-hoo. That was fun.